Imagine a world where belonging replaces bias. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's possible. And it starts with us. Breaking bias isn't just about pointing fingers, it's about making real changes, qualitative changes in our souls and quantitative changes in our lives, just like Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. envisioned when he spoke of a beloved community. But here's the challenge. When someone says you're biased, the first reaction is usually, "What do you mean? What did I do?" That defensiveness stops us from learning and growing. So, what's the solution? It's behavioral change. Shame, blame, and guilt don't work. In fact, they shut down our nervous systems, making it impossible to learn or change. Bias shows up everywhere in how we work with others, how we develop products, and even how services like healthcare are delivered. And those unconscious biases, they're costing businesses in ways they don't even realize. To tackle this, we need new kinds of training that include three critical elements: a shame-free environment, a trauma-informed approach, and yes, playfulness and interactivity. Learning should be fun. Everyone experiences bias, whether in work, family, or friendships. The key is to create a safe space where people can unlearn it and replace it with belonging. We have the power to build a world where belonging overcomes bias, one behavior change at a time. Ready to make that shift?